gotta do something about this, man.
Shut the fuck up, Jackie. You gotta think.
You gotta think.
Shut up, both of you! Winston's gone. Right now, we gotta stick together.
We just can't let the 18K get away with this.
What makes you so sure it was 18K?
We all saw them. They were definitely 18K. Even stupid Jackie knows that.
You ever think maybe they were just trying to look like 18K? Look, we've had a few skirmishes with them lately, but nothing major. It doesn't...
Back off! I'll kill him! Holy shit!
What?
Nice job, Wei! Downstairs! Back off! I'll kill her, man! Downstairs! Nice shot, Wei!
Wait! I should have never taken this job.
Get the car! Get the car! Step on it!
Take him out! Another one!
No way you get away clean, ponytail! No way! Come on! Come on! Stop! Move! Move!
You little more! Huh?
You done? Are you done?
You stick, you laugh!
I'm gonna break your face!
You laugh! You want to stick pussy up! Oh!
Tell your boss, stay the fuck out of my territory.
Fuck you, Wei! This isn't the end of this!
Damn it! Ah, shit, just what I needed. Get in! Get in! What the hell? Who the fuck are you guys?
Change your tone, Shen. Miss Yang is a red pole, and she just saved your life.
Miss Jang? Broken Nose Jang? My apologies, Madame Red Pole. So why'd you bring me out here?
I have heard a lot about you, Wei Shen. I will get to the point. You must realize that you cannot stand against Big Smile Lee alone.
That's what everyone tells me. Roland Ho said I'd need other bosses to support me.
Indeed. Now, I believe in harmony, balance, peace, and I don't mind spilling a little blood to achieve it. With Uncle Po in the hospital, there's much uncertainty.
Hey, what can I do for you? Why, don't go too crazy on this one, Wei.
Hey, man.
Wait! You won't believe what those assholes did!
Who?
Those guys at Top Glamour, they're fucking with me! I brought them another load of watches. They were supposed to give me 200,000 for them. Instead, they give me this hunk of shit. I don't even know how to ride this thing. I had to push it here.
Calm down. Give me the bike. I'll get you your money.
What are you gonna do?
Same thing I always do, Jackie. You gonna let me in?
All right, come on in.
This fucking guy.
What do you want?
My friend Jackie tells me you owe him some money.
You're sitting on it. And where'd you get off strong-arming me, huh? I know you're a cop.
And I know you're a snitch. You wanna see who your boys kill first?
Fuck you. Kill him! Kill him!
That's it, asshole! Come on, fuckers!
Come on, be
Come on, let me go!
Have yourself to blame.
Hey! Did we stop? Let me out of here! I fucking
fucking shit myself! Fucker! Hey, let me out of here, you fucker! My people are gonna cut you into pieces, you hear me? Huh? You hear me, you fucker?
Here's your guy. Hope you still want him. But I don't want this coming back to bite me in the ass.
I'll take care of it. Where he's going, he won't be in a position to tell anyone anything.
Hey, I can hear you! What the fuck are you doing out there? Open the fucking trunk, will you?
Hey! Show the lady some respect.
My curry, unbelievable curry fish balls. You have to try them.
You have a car in here? Oh, I wish I could live your life just for one day.
Wei, I have something for you.
What is it?
Dead triads, 6 of them in the past few months. All found by the water, all sliced open.
Well, what do the investigators think?
What?
Did you look at the overnights? Yeah, but that's not the guy. It's Wei Shen Chang, not Win Shen Chang. Yeah, bookmark Chang.
Roland, got any work for me?
Yeah, sure. Samson Gao, your typical deadbeat. Moron is hiding out on an overpass in North Point. Thinks nobody knows he's there. He's wrong.
Yo, Tran, what you got for me?
I need a sports car. Let me ask the customer the specifics. I'll text them over.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Amanda, it's Wei. You doing anything later?
Wei, hi. I was going to go see Magistrate Park. You want to come along?
Yeah, cool. See you in a bit. Meet me at Victoria Peak.
Yeah, that'd be fun. See you, Wei.
Mrs. Chu?
你知冇啊 ？Sammy 佢細個嗰陣。
Check it, Lau. What is this shit, man? Stop messing around.
What the fuck, man? Let's work something out here, okay?
Ew! They don't run high
call that.
Oh, shit! Move! Move!
Come and get me, huh? 屌你老母啊！
that? No! You flash a little dope and the panties disappear.
Whoa!
Anything happens to me? Big smileys or the send calls to ask questions. You got it, Wei? Huh?
What's going on?
Duke, get down to the docks. I'm gonna need a pickup now.
Got it. On my way.
You don't know what you're messing with, Shen, huh? It's Wei! Kill that fucking guy, huh? You're gonna die screaming, Wei! Huh? Yeah. Oh. Go for his eyes! His eyes! You don't know what you're messing with, Shen, huh? You're gonna get yourself killed, man! You don't understand what's going on, man! Come on! Give it up, you fuck! Break his fingers! You're gonna die screaming, Wei! Huh? Yeah. Oh. Go for his eyes! His eyes! You don't know what you're messing with, Shen, huh? Get yourself killed, man! You don't understand what's going on, man! What the fuck you want, man?
You've done some bad things, Sammy.
What did you call me? Huh? Nobody call me that anymore. This is about me balling your fucking sister, isn't it? Huh? You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Wake up, little brother. It's not like I put that needle in her arm. You can't take this stuff personally, Wei. It was business. You know what I'm saying?
Not to me, it wasn't.
Look, if you don't like it, you take it up with Big Smiley. He's the one who needs the pussy. I was doing my job. Fuck, man. Is this what this is all about?
Yeah, and Winston, and Peggy.
Fuck!
You're coming with me.
Look, maybe we can cut a deal. All right, stop all this shit, man. And I'll make sure that Big Smiley cuts you in on one of the side business. Maybe the fucking whole damn thing. I mean, hey, we can be generous, okay? Yeah, he's gonna be the future chairman of the fucking On Yee.
Yeah? You and Big Smiley are pretty close, huh?
Yeah, we're tight like motherfucking brothers.
Me and Winston, we were tight too.
Get him! Get him now! Oh yeah. Fine, boys. Suffer. Give it up, you fuck! Yeah, you had enough, huh? 'Cause I can do it all right. Listen, you're gonna regret this.
Wait! Way up! The car's over here!
Hey, fuck!
Where are we going?
To the restaurant.
What's going on?
We're bringing him to Mrs. Chu. She has something she wants to tell him.
Mrs. Chu. All right.
Let me out, you assholes!
We could take care of this ourselves.
Believe me, I'm tempted. But you and me handle this and it'll happen fast. This son of a bitch deserves the worst we can give him.
You're the boss, Wei.
see. Some good driving there.
Thanks, man. What the fuck you doing, huh? Wait!
Sit down and shut the fuck up.
Jesus, I haven't been here in fucking years.
Sammy 啊，我為咗你一路開住個廚房，你睇我留埋啲骨喺裏面，你中意噶嘛？係咪啊
It's cool, Mrs. Chu. I already ate.
你同我食晒佢，食咗佢。
Wait, hey! What the fuck are you doing? I'm not fucking hungry.
Sammy， 你避下我面，我特登為你做噶，唔使驚。唔係淨係你一個人，你個朋友 Johnny 啊，老鼠仔佢都喺度喎。
What the fuck? He's crazy!
佢而家大湯裏面，或者我將你放喺煲湯裏面。
Wait, if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
Sorry. It's nothing personal. Just business.
Oh God! I'm sorry, please! No!
Really busy. Lots of violence in Hong Kong.
You have a car in here? You go enjoy yourself.
Who are you?
Bomb squad. You hear or see anything suspicious, officer?
What? No. Is there a bomb?
Could go off at any minute. I'm guessing the blast won't go more than a few hundred meters.
Excuse me, I forgot something in my car.
Vincent? Shit. Son of a bitch. Someone did surgery on these guys. Everyone the same. This is no ordinary serial killer. Tang, it's Wei.
What did you find out?
Vincent. They got Vincent.
I'm sorry. I know he was your friend. What are you gonna do next?
All the victims were Sunai. All had a gun. Cut right out of them. You're right. This isn't just about murder.
What's your next step?
The removal looks professional. A surgeon of some kind. I'm gonna look into the hospital records. If somebody's stealing organs, they gotta be using them for something.
All right. Keep me informed.
Tradition calls for us to select a temporary chairman until you are well, Uncle. A man who would continue as you would wish.
I heard this before. You have to be...
Jackie, it's Wei. Where are you?
Getting a massage, man. I tell you, the girls here.
I got some news. I'm on my way over. We got an errand to run. See you in a few minutes.
Hey, what can I do for you? Oh, I wish I could live your life just for one day.
Jackie, you're gonna love this.
What's going on, Wei?
Well, you're about to become a full member of the Son On Yee.
Fuck me! Are you sure?
100%.
Yeah, baby! I fucking did it, yeah! Oh, don't worry about it, my man. It'll be your turn soon.
Jackie, they're making me a red pole.
What? Holy shit, Wei! Holy fucking shit!
Well, Jackie, the dream finally comes true.
No shit. Hey, wait. Don't think I don't appreciate it. I know it wouldn't have been possible without you.
No problem, Jackie.
Man, you want to get a massage before we go? My treat. Come on, man. Best way to celebrate. You won't believe what these girls can do.
Then he said that if I stuff my panties in his mouth, he'd pay me extra. So what did you do? I put them in there, no? He loved
Hey
them.
there, you want a little relief?
So what's the problem?
Let's see if we
Every
can
time
chase
he
that
asks me
Asian
for something,
lady.
I push the price up. Once he had my nasty little undies, then he couldn't talk. So he couldn't order.
So what's this errand?
It's part of our initiation. You know this guy?
Holy shit! Youngest one of us, Wei. Came up with no prosperity just like you and me.
He's been dealing a kid. They ordered him to stop a couple of times.
Okay. They tell you much about the ceremony?
Just that we're in it.
We're brothers after that. Man, Son On Yee brothers.
Yeah.
What? I went out with Jume the other day.
Finally asked her out, huh? So how'd it go?
Man, I made her laugh so hard. I read that somewhere. That if you make a girl laugh, she'll fall in love with you.
I think if you're funny, she'll fall for you.
Same thing, isn't it?
Big puppy eyes and says, Daddy,
Hey, where's Young?
咁搞事啊，仆街！係時候做嘢啦！哇，今次嗨啦！
Hey, we need to talk to you.
屌你啊！
Uncle Po sent us.
我冇嘢搞啊！我冇嘢做㗎！唔好意思啊！唔好意思啊！
Oh my god!
Jackie, let's go! Jackie, let's go! Come on! Let's move!
You okay?
I don't know, man. Never... Shit, Wei, I've never done that before.
I know.
Was it... I don't know, my hands are shaking, man.
Look, take a breath, Jackie. Breathe, man.
Did you see the look in the guy's eyes? I didn't expect it to be like that. I was...
You okay?
I don't know, man. I've never... Shit, Wei, I've never done that before.
I know.
Was it... I don't know, my hands are shaking, man.
Look, take a breath, Jackie. Breathe, man.
Did you see the look in the guy's eyes? I didn't expect it to be like that. I always thought about how it looked. I didn't know how it made me feel, you know? I can feel it in my stomach. Shit, Wei.
Calm down. Look, it'll wear off, okay?
Is it done?
It's done.
Good. Brothers, from today forward, your lives will be forever changed. Because today I read your report.
I'm flattered. Was it a slow day or something?
Pendra's very impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sort of impressed too. He wants you to dig around, see what you can find on Sunny Wo. Says it's a priority.
I read about him. I mean, he reps entertainers, dabbles in porn with allegedly some human trafficking mixed in. Well, why go after him? He's not son On Yee.
To bring down the son On Yee, we have to take down the people who support them, cut off their revenue sources, dismantle the net. We want the Red Bulls, the lieutenants like Winston.
Open your eyes, Raymond. I am Winston now.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them.